So, hi guys, New Year is coming and I've decided to make like New Year's lingerie set, and I already made the sketch of this set maybe, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks ago. Yeah, can you see that? And you know, the funny thing is that my source of inspiration was, guess who? Yeah, my source of inspiration was like Elf, because you know I remembered about uh, Elf movie with Will Ferrell, yeah, and I really like it. So yeah, this it was like my source of inspiration. So yeah, I think the sketch is a good one. By the way, do you like it? Let me know in the comment section. The main fabric that I'm going to use here in this set is the elastic mesh, green elastic mesh. I really like the color, but you know, this mesh is really soft. So that's why I've decided to make like two layers, um, yeah, of this mesh for a cup. It's here the cup is the only one. Icing on the cake here, I think, is this thing, right? Now I need to close the darts on the cup of the bra. Can you see that? Like these things. How can I do that? First, I need to put the cup face up, and then fold the cup in half where the dart is, right? And then I need to sew a straight stitch here at a distance of 5 millimeters. So I've already sewed the straight stitches here on the cup. Can you see that? This is the front side of the cup. And now I need to put this cup face up, and I need to fold the cup in half. There the darts are, these darts, right? And I need to do it in such a way that the seam allowance, this one, is on the inside, like this, right? I need like to close this open seam allowance. So yeah, now I can pin it, and sew a straight stitch here at a distance of 5 millimeters. So now cup is ready, and now I can continue to sew the bra. What I have for now, I have like the front side of the underband, right, with underwire channeling. I need to put it face up. Then I have the ready cup, right? So I need to put this cup on the front side of the underband, also face up. What I should do now, I need to sew on the hook and eye closure to the bra, and before doing that I made like hand stitches. Can you see that? Just, you know, to fasten this hook and eye. Yeah, because I think if you use hand stitches before sewing, it can help you to do it right. So yeah, if you usually don't do that, I advise you to use hand stitches. Yeah, it would be like easier, you know, to work with this hook and eye closure. What else? Can you see this is like my wrong side, and I really like it. Yeah, and I've already put into the underwire channeling, underwires here, boninks here. Yeah, and I like how it looks like on the wrong side. So guys, I've already started to make the collar, removable collar, as you remember, and I already prepared like 3 pieces of this collar, 3 little triangles. Yeah, can you see that? I think it looks like cute. So there are only 2 triangles, 2 pieces left here to prepare, like this and this. And I've already like sewed the straight stitch here. Can you see that? So yeah, and what I need to do now, I need to take fold over elastic, like I'm going to use the red one. Yeah, and I need to, with this fold over elastic, to close the open cut, this open cut, and then I sew a zigzag stitch like here, maybe you can see that. Yeah, and then I need to turn this seam allowance to the left side, and instead of these round things like on my sketch, this, can you see that? Yeah, I decided to use like just green rings, little rings. Yeah, this one. You know about this red lace? How did I get this? It's really like cool story. So I have a friend, and at that time I wanted, you know, to practice more. I mean, to make more panties, to make more bras, etc., garter belt, and so on, so on. And I told her that I could do it, and I offered her to make, of course, for her like a few paints, maybe 5 or 10, I don't know. And she, at first, she just said, "Oh no, no, sorry, thank you." But then I think in some time she just asked me where she could buy these laces, where she could choose these laces. I sent her like a link with online shop, and when she was like, you know, choosing these laces, she just texted me a message that, "Oh, there are a lot of beautiful laces in this shop. Can you do for me, please, like 5 or 10 paintings?" And of course I said, yes, yes, because as you know, practice makes perfect. And maybe in 1 week I got this package, and they were like a lot of beautiful laces. Yeah. Yeah, and what and I started to make for her panties. So I made the removable collar. It looks like this. So yeah, I like it. On the back I made like hook and loop. Yeah, and you need to do like this to like fasten this collar. I've decided to make like thong panties. Yeah, and I've made 1 layer of this elastic mesh, you know, because 2 layers get a little dense. So yeah, I think one layer is okay. But this elastic mesh is a really soft. Can you see that? It's a really stretchy one, and it's a little bit hard to work with this elastic mesh. But I think if you are like a patient person, so you can do it. Where I was. Yeah, I wanted to tell you that at the beginning of my sewing journey, I often left a job unfinished. For example, because I couldn't make a stitch, or maybe I didn't know how to do these things or that things, or because I don't know, the fabric or the lace was like really difficult to work with. Yeah, because of these reasons I often like left the job unfinished. But I have like a really good habit. Yeah, and I can like leave a job unfinished, but in maybe in 2 hours, or in 1 day, or even in 1 week, I can try to finish my work, because you know, it's like I don't like to leave like things unfinished. So yeah, and I think this habit like really helped me to learn how to sew. But during these 2 hours or 1 day or 1 week, I just need to do something else, you know, to fresh my, I don't know, to fresh my mind maybe. As a result, what I want to tell you, don't give up. I'm in process, and I'm sewing now panties, and it's almost ready. I just need to make straps for this one, and here to sew like the rings. Yeah, and that's it. So what I can tell you that is that this mesh is quite difficult to work with. Yeah, really soft. So thanks that I have like a lot of patience. What I'd like to tell you, in my home country, for example, I know like certain online shops, and not only online, but other shops there, I can go and buy like necessary materials for making a lingerie. But here I don't know exactly like really good sellers and really good like online shops where I can buy materials for making a lingerie. But I found like online app where I can order like necessary materials for me. I actually placed an order with like 6 or 7 elastic meshes I ordered, and two of them, three of them are like really soft, like this green elastic mesh. So yeah, paintings are ready. It's already evening, but I really want to finish my lingerie set today. So now I'm making the skirt for my lingerie set, and I took like 2 stripes of this elastic mesh, yeah, connected them together with a straight stitch here, and I made like the widest stitch on the top of the skirt, just to make, you know, free assembly here. Yeah, can you see that? Yeah, it looks cute, I think. So now I need, what I need to do, I need to close the open cut on the bottom of the skirt. I'm going to do it with this fold over elastic green that I found. And oops, sorry. And what, on the top of the skirt here, I'm going to sew on the white strap elastic, this one. Yeah. So guys, I've made like a removable skirt for my lingerie set. Yeah, can you remember my sketch? I've decided like not to make these things for hands. Yeah, I think it's like unnecessary. And I already made these straps. It's just simple straps for legs. They're like separate. Yeah, this, the black one, the red one with little ring. Yeah, and I can adjust the length of this strap. And also because I didn't have like the green strap elastic, I use the bottom band, but I think it's only like for decoration, so I think it's okay. Totally I have 6 pieces, 6 straps for legs. Can you see this decoration? Yeah, this lingerie set is ready, and I think it looks like really cool. I can't show you like straps for legs here on the mannequin because there are no legs, but I can show you like maybe on me, make like try on haul or something like that. So the straps for legs look like this. Yeah, can you see that? Yeah, I think it looks cool. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and Merry Christmas everyone! See you soon!